Hi guys, it's Kevin from Newfoundland. We are going to glue on this bridge. Now, but first, I found this little clamp on Amazon. It was fairly cheap and makes your life a whole lot easier when you're gluing on your bridge. So let's get to it. Let me adjust my camera. Okay. I found my Type Bond after. My Type Bond original. So what we're going to do, I use a brush myself. But we're going to get some Type Bond out. I'm going to put it around. Make sure it all sticks. All right. So what we're going to do next, set up our clamp. It's very simple to use. I think the clamp was probably $12 to buy, and that's Canadian. Okay, so what we're going to do here, it's a little tricky here. Make sure you put your washer down and then your wing nut. Sorry guys, I'm left-handed, so everything is in the way. You want to make sure everything is lined up perfectly. Put your washer down and your other wing nut. Having a little trouble here. Bear with me for a second. So I went ahead and I put a little mark ahead so I know that's a fine tune adjustment there. And what we do here is, for this part, since I don't have like a regular bridge, I have a piece of hard like cardboard. I'm going to screw down, but not too tight. I'm going to use more on this side because there's nothing there, and we just screw it down like so until it's tightened up, and we tighten up our wing nuts, but not too tight, as we said. And that's it. So I'll get you guys a better view there. Just hold on a second, I'll get my phone out. There we go. As you can see, it's clamped down. Everything is lined up. All we got to do now is wait. So I'll resume this video 24 to 48 hours. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.